Did you know that 1 in 4 Americans makes money from the online economy? Gone are the days where you have to show up at a physical job to make some cash. At Teachable, we know how life-changing running your own business can be, so we're running through the 17 proven ways to make money online with ratings and all. Ready? Let's get started. Number 17, Fiverr. If you've been trying to build an online empire, you've probably heard of Fiverr. Fiverr connects you with people looking for help on everything from writing to translation, programming, and music. The pros? Fiverr connects you to a wide array of clients, allows you to pick from a variety of jobs, and gets you a lot of exposure. The cons? Fiverr takes 20% of all your proceeds and tends to be a race to the bottom when it comes to pricing. We rate it 2 out of 5 stars for earning money online. Up next, sell photos. If you take beautiful photos, you deserve to get paid to share them with the world. You can sell your photos to websites like 500px Prime, SmugMug Pro, Shutterstock, iStockPhoto, and Etsy, which all offer $100 or more per photo. The pros? You get paid to share any incredible photos you've taken. The cons? It can be hard to get accepted to the highest paying sites, and you'll no longer have rights to your own photos. Overall, we rate it 4 out of 5 stars for earning money online. Next up, blogging. Bloggers can expect to make about 1% of their average page views. So if you have 50,000 page views a month, you could make around $500. You can monetize your blog through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsored posts, just to name a few. The pros? A blog is your creative playground, and at the end of the day, you own the content. The cons? Building up an audience can take a lot of time, and it takes hard work and dedication to earn real money. Overall, we rate blogging 3 out of 5 stars for making money online. Up next, create and sell eBooks. While half of self-published authors make less than $500, if you're very successful in this field, you can earn up to $10,000 or more a year. The pros? They're fun to make, and you can also go wild with the design. The cons? It's time-consuming and can be a really saturated market. Overall, we rate selling ebooks 2 out of 5 stars for making money online. Up next, YouTube channel. The average amateur YouTuber earns about $15 a month, but successful YouTubers can make thousands of dollars a month off their videos. The pros? It's a great way to build your audience, sell products, and just have fun. The cons? It takes a lot of technical know-how and, above all, time. Overall, we rate YouTubing 3 out of 5 stars for making money online. Up next, affiliate marketing. Through affiliate marketing, you can earn a commission by promoting other people's products. Affiliate marketing can vary significantly based on the products or services you promote, but medium-sized websites average about $987 a month from affiliate marketing. The pros? There are all kinds of programs you can participate in, and it's often passive income that's rolling in. The cons? You can't sell other people's product without an audience. You'll have to build up a solid amount of followers before making any money from affiliate marketing. Overall, we rate affiliate marketing 4 out of 5 stars for making money online. Up next, Search Engine Evaluator. Search engine evaluators make sure the best and most relevant content is showing up in search engine results. The average gig pays about $12 to $15 an hour. The pros? The work isn't too hard and you don't need any fancy equipment to do it. The cons? Work is done on a per-project basis, so it might dry up and you'll have to wait for more. Overall, we give search engine evaluation 2 out of 5 stars for making money online. Up next, sell domains. If you can think of the great names first, you may as well take them while they're on the market. A common price point for selling in-demand domains is from several hundred to $1,000. The pros? It's easy work, so long as you're clever. The cons? It's very difficult to predict which domain names will be a smart investment. Overall, we rate selling domains 1 out of 5 stars for making money online. Up next, podcasting. Podcasting is hot right now, and there's a podcast for just about every niche available. Mid-tier podcasters can expect to make about $1,600 a month from a successful podcast. The pros? It's creative, fun, engaging, and a great way to get your brand out there. The cons? It's time-consuming and might be a little hard to get off the ground. Overall, we rate it 4 out of 5 stars for earning money online. Up next, virtual assistant. Virtual assistants range from social media assistants to website designers and market researchers. The average virtual assistant makes over $1,800 a month. The pros? The work can be engaging, fun, and interesting, and you'll likely work on a variety of projects. The cons? It's definitely not a passive way to make money, and you might wear yourself out doing behind-the-scenes work for someone else. Overall, we rate being a virtual assistant 4 out of 5 stars for making money online. Up next, brand ambassador. Brand ambassadors are paid to talk about a company in a positive way, often at public events or on social media platforms. The average brand ambassador makes $2,000 a month. The pros? The work can be easy, fun, and lucrative. The cons? It can be hard to work to gain the influence you need to become a brand ambassador, or you may not be happy with what the company wants you to do. Overall, we rate being a brand ambassador 4 out of 5 stars for making money online. Up next, crowdfunding. If you have a creative project idea, a crowdfunding website like Kickstarter can rocket your idea forward. Of course, that money doesn't necessarily belong to you as much as it does the funding of your project. The pros? You can raise a lot of money in a short amount of time to really get your passion started. The cons? The money isn't your income. You have to put those funds to use. And in some platforms, if you don't raise the goal amount, you get nothing at all. Overall, we rate crowdfunding 2 out of 5 stars for making money online. Up next, freelance writer. Whether you're writing for online publications, B2B businesses, or online agencies, the opportunities for freelance writing are limitless. The average freelance writer makes about $3,500 a month. The pros? You can be creative and write on a wide variety of subjects. The cons? Some places are more willing to pay than others, and the work isn't always steady. Overall, we give it 4 out of 5 stars. Up next, online store. Jewelry, homemade candles, tiny finger puppets made of cat hair, the options are endless. According to Slate, the average income of profitable Etsy sellers is about $3,700 a month. The pros? You can follow your passion and sell unique products that you're proud of. The cons? Selling online products can have a crowded market, and you'll have overhead costs to create your actual product. Overall, we'd rate opening an online store 4 out of 5 stars for making money online. Up next, freelance designer. Whether you're making logos, designing websites, or user workflows, freelance designers have a huge variety of projects to work on. The average freelance designer makes about $5,000 a month. The pros? Flex your creative muscles and work on all kinds of interesting projects. The cons? Your clients might not respect your good taste or have a regular stream of work for you. Overall, we rate freelance design 4 out of 5 stars for making money online. Up next, marketplace courses. Marketplace courses like Udemy and Coursera allow people to create courses and sell them on the site's marketplace. The pros? Your online course might get a lot of eyeballs all at once and huge exposure. The cons? Marketplaces can change your prices at any time without your control. They'll also take a much bigger cut of the proceeds. Overall, we rate marketplace courses 2 out of 5 stars for making money online. Lastly, online courses. An online course platform allows course creators to cater content to their followers. Instructors can make more than 6 figures from a highly successful launch. The pros? With an open course creation platform, you'll have far more power over what you make and how you share, distribute, and price it. The cons? You'll have to build up your own audience to take advantage of those features. Overall, we give online course creation 5 out of 5 stars. There are dozens of ways to make money online, but online course creation is our favorite. Teachable's modern platform allows you to add lectures, quizzes, videos, easily build sales pages, and even give out certificates of completion. Plus, successful course creators have earned hundreds of thousands of dollars from every topic under the sun, from music to mindfulness to marketing and fitness classes. Watch the money stack up so you can kick back and celebrate. Want to find out more? Head over to Teachable.com.